Hi, my name's Helen Zahos. I'm the team leader here on the Nurses in Action program for World Youth International. We're in Kenya at the moment, in Luanda, Katieno today on a major health camp that wouldn't have been made available if it wasn't for Altaira sponsoring us here today. Our focus was for elderly and senior people to come along and to do assessments on them and to make sure that their health is up to scratch. We have had and been inundated with a lot of children as well. So as soon as the whole village, you can imagine, we're in a remote fishing village out here. As soon as they found out there was a health camp on, several hundred people have come down to get checked out, have malaria tests and everything like that. Why is it important for us to be looking after our elderly here in Kenya? They don't have the same kind of health facilities and benefits that we do in Australia. Like, they don't have aged care homes and facilities like that. In the village placements that we did in the outreach program, a lot of the older people that we found at home, it's their families that are looking after them, but they were sleeping on mud hut floors. A lot of them had been affected by strokes and were debilitated and unable to mobilise. So we don't have the kind of equipment that we would normally in Australia either. So it is really important for us to be keeping an eye out for the elderly here in Kenya.
The elderly in Kenya mostly have chronic illnesses. You find that they are hypertensive and they are diabetic. It means that they have to be on antihypertensive drugs and diabetic drugs. They also have to do a lot of tests to make sure their blood sugar levels are okay. So I think with the World Youth and Altaira coming on board, they're going to get that test for the blood sugar. They're going to have medical refill of their drugs, like the antihypertensive drugs. And it's important because most of them have chronic illnesses. And you'd find that they don't have the means and they don't have maybe the cash or the medical insurance that may need to go to hospital. So if we have free medical camps, then that means that they would be able to get the medication on time and get them absolutely for free. So thank you to World Youth and thank you to Altaira.